Yep, it's cock and bull time before we bring in the lovely Ayushi. I want to actually, in the rant, get Amit's intro into this as well, because we have a common friend, well, more his friend, Pankal, who runs a lot of these different restaurants, right?
Yeah,
So I
Woodside
went
and
to the
yeah,
one with the steps. What's it called?
uh, Woodside.
Woodside. That's it.
Yeah.
Woodside Inn. And I love the place. So we go COVID or no COVID, and the food's always great. But a small bone to pick because of my slightly medieval mind and stupidity and I don't know pettiness. So there's a poster of something advertising some sort of food with "Here Comes the Sun" written there, and then there's a picture of John Lennon on top. Now I don't want to get technical, but anybody knows that "Here Comes the Sun" is a George Harrison classic, a Beatles song, no doubt. But you would
Yeah.
not put John on top; you would put George on top. There's only John's picture. So, Uncle, this kind of thing upsets me, and I'm about to turn around, and my daughter says, "No, we've come all the way here. Let it go. They don't know their Beatles. You can't be so picky." But like in our country, GST you avoid, but in my country, if you make beetle mistakes, there is sort of capital punishment
So
coming.
I think the person you're looking for is Sumit Gambhir,
But
the other partner over there.
yeah, but Sumit,
Uh,
so I agree, but Pankil is close by, the Valkeshwar boy, so I
ah,
want to point him out first. So
okay. No, but
Why is
Sumit
Sumit more important in
because
this whole?
Sumit is the music guy, and Sumit's also a regular listener.
Ah,
So you remember I was
Okay.
complaining about price of drinks a few weeks ago
yeah.
when I went outside, and he's like,
Yeah.
"Dude, I hope you weren't talking about Woodside."
Was it?
No, no, I wasn't talking about
It's the
Woodside.
problem with
Woodside
this
is a
intimate
lovely place.
broadcast thing where everybody knows everyone. We're screwed.
Yeah.
Especially we can't. It's easier to
No, but
attack the political parties than them.
this is a
Ouch.
straight request to Sumit, who's in
Sorry.
charge of music at all of the Woodside places. That hey, Sumit, you got to check your place. You got to check your posters too, man.
Ayushi, sorry, we're not including you in the conversation. That is rude. But this
No,
is
no,
just
that's fine. I was just kind of concerned, like, am I allowed to laugh on it? Like,
yeah.
can I make any noise while
This is gender
this is going
parity.
on?
That's been
I,
established.
I didn't know. There was no disclaimer at the top of the
Come
show.
to my house. It's the other way around. We are fighting for parity. Yeah.
That's fine with me. That I have no issue. I feel no sorrow, regret,
No. It's just that
empathy
these
towards
guys,
you.
as we started the podcast, they just started making waves. They're actually really great kids. Kids, they're younger than me,
Yeah,
but they're
no,
really
they're
good entrepreneurs who are keeping South Mumbai alive and our sort of South Mumbai
Yeah, I
cultural.
love Woodside.
No,
I
and
I
all their
think it's too
places.
good.
Yeah.
So they've got all the Mumbai food and all, which they sort of save and all that. Others have copied them, but they
well,
have done
the
that.
other one's really good too, right? The one next to it, which is not open right now, but
Which is that?
The pantry
uh,
is one.
so
Uh,
pantry is one of
Barking
theirs, but
Deer.
no,
Is
right
Barking
next,
Deer
no,
also
no,
them?
no,
the one
that's
in
not them.
Parel.
Right next to Woodside, where they did all the different club type foods.
Oh, right. Aisha, what's it called? The one
Excelsior?
next to Woodside?
Cafe
No,
Excess? No, some
no.
Mumbai Masala? No.
Something
no.
like that.
Mumbai.
Bombay.
Aisha,
I
what's it
think it was
called?
Bombay something.
Bombay something. The one we used to go to on the
Canteen.
right.
Bombay Canteen, is that?
No, no. Bombay
No,
Canteen
Okay.
is
Bombay Canteen is also,
that's
first of
Bombay
all,
Vintage.
excellent.
Bombay Vintage.
Bombay
Thanks,
Vintage. That's the
Aisha.
one. That's the
Woman
Correct.
one.
power, yo. Ayushi.
I knew
Yeah.
it. We come to use.
What are you doing, Ayushi? You're just walking off in the middle. What's in the glass?
The remnants of a Nimbu Pani.
Oh, okay. You're one of those health freaks. So you drink one limbu pani the whole day, divide it into four pieces, and this is piece number. It's like a basketball game. This is the third quarter. Just check it
No,
out.
no, this is the end of it because I was waiting for you guys to start. So I started my beverage too early.
We are like four young queens in our teens, to be
That's,
honest.
I
But
agree. I am a
or
queen
three,
in my teen.
because we just talk about nothing in particular. Our whole podcast is just gone
It's
into
my
that. Not
favorite genre is
you
to
think?
not, it's just, first of all, I can't shut up. That's my problem, which I think, Cyrus, you would
Yeah.
most specifically
Only
relate
gender
with.
separates us. You're right.
Yes, that's true. Just today, I was asking Ritasha, my co-host, obviously, and I was like, I was hanging out with her this morning, and I was like, "Do you sometimes feel like you want to put a muzzle on me because I just keep talking?"
Yeah, but
And her reaction was so heartwarming. She's like, "Never, I would never muzzle you ever. You just talk, baby, as much as you want." And I was like, "Yeah."
but she seems to be a classy act. Where I grew up and people around me, even my teachers used to say, "Will you stop talking?" I'm
Yeah,
thinking that's if I didn't do that, I wouldn't have a job. What else could I have done?
that's
So I
very
think
true.
they weren't able to see that maybe you can use your negative to be a positive in a sense. My sister used to actually get angry because I get excitable for no reason. She was like, "Why are you always so excitable?" Now she's saying that my sister, correlation. This is where marriage takes you. Can you see that? Can you see that, folks?
Uh,
Before you get married, your wife becomes your sister. That's the fucking truth of marriage. Ouch! And not by choice. This is just the way it is. It's an organic movement. Nature takes its course.
Do you believe in that thing where, like, after a point, partners start looking like each other?
I'm a hairy now.
I have no response.
Go back to Punkil. Okay, it's a bit petty, but my point, but I was like, but John's in the song, but it's an iconic George Harrison song. Anyone,
It
you know,
is.
Silvery likes the Beatles. He knows that.
Yep.
But anyway,
I did not
leave it.
know that particular fact though.
You didn't
I
know that,
wouldn't have got
he
it.
comes
No,
with
so, I
George
mean,
Harrison.
Cyrus, you have to be deep to know what John's written,
Yeah,
what
you are extremely
Lennon's
deep.
written, and what McCartney's written, right? You
Yeah.
got to be deep in that
George's
rabbit hole.
iconic songs, the two ones that everyone should know or would know would be Something and Here Comes the Sun.
I hear what you're
Are you a Beatles
saying.
fan?
I know Yesterday is written by Paul McCartney. He keeps that's one of his favorite songs.
Which is the highest covered music piece in the world by
Yes,
other
it is.
That
guys.
has to
Wow,
be
see that
Wonderwall by all first-time learning guitar boys.
Uh-huh.
That is the most covered
true.
song ever.
Every generation has one. We had some other stuff growing up and we tried to learn instrumental music.
Dude, I remember when every person when I was learning guitar, you had to learn that When the Saints Go Marching In. That was the
Oh,
song
when
that you
the
had to keep.
Saints go
I would
marching
rather
in.
someone play that for me to serenade me than Wonderwall.
What? It's a good drinking song. I don't know about serenading a girl per se because it's not so
No, no,
romantic, but
but
it's got that
one second.
marching, drinking feel to it. So when you're in a group, it's great fun.
That's no, but
These all rugby songs actually. We all
the
enjoy
thing
them.
with like Wonderwall is just what you've turned it into. Like the dude who's playing it thinks that he is so cool and so good at the guitar now that we should just be floored. And it's not the case. This is a PSA on your show talking to dudes. Do not play Wonderwall for any female.
Hey, there's a chick
anymore.
out there who I've been following. Usually you sound like her, who tells guys how to put out girls. And I've been trying to listen to her. And it's always 5 ways you can make a woman, well, the dirtier versions, but it's all that. All the information that you want as a man.
I wish that I was stable enough to give that advice because what attracts or like repulses me changes in 1 week.
Really? So I picked up a couple of things. One of the things she said was a woman gets really turned on by a man. Silvery, this is good for you because you learned it. Man cooking live. Like when you cook and she's
Really?
watching you cook, it's very like almost sexual and it's like foreplay. A man who, but he knows his way around the kitchen. It can't be just like, hey,
Yeah.
pan kidhar hai?
Yeah,
Raju?"
yeah,
So,
yeah.
It's
so it
not
has
one
to
of
be
those.
my kitchen. It has to be my kitchen then.
Yeah,
because
yeah,
now
yeah,
it's
yeah.
what yeah.
No, like
Exactly that.
I think, yeah, I think she's not wrong. Like in terms of like a guy who knows his way around a kitchen is very, because you know what, it's not even about the cooking thing. It's like, functional adult. That is such a defining thing when you look at dudes,
Functioning
'cause you're
male
like,
adult. Yeah.
male adult who is functional means you can feed yourself. So you're a survivor.
Feed yourself, not
the
even
other
like
hand,
feed me.
If
At
your
least
wife
yourself
runs
is
away with the
survival.
cook, I mean, she's spot on and you've got to think about that.
Yeah. Then there's a lot of other things you should think about if your wife has run away with the cook.
Hey, don't make it a class thing. He might be a good-looking guy. He might
I'm
be
not
an
making it about
interesting
class.
guy.
I'm making it about how bad your cooking must be.
I'm horrible. No wonder I got no girls. I can't cook. I just did
Really?
one dish in my entire life in America, which my sister on the phone with a normal landline phone coaching me from North Carolina to New York. The whole tomato puree experiment with keema. She told me just make keema. It's the easiest thing to do, non-veg.
It
And
is.
Yeah.
And then
And
add
over
the
there,
tomato
you even
puree.
get the ground beef, you get the puree.
Yeah,
I mean,
exactly.
All
making keema
there.
in America is nothing.
It's
was
so
all there.
simple.
But it turned out to be BJP orange. And I had one Pakistani roommate, one Greek roommate, all hardcore non-veg. And they were like, Rocha, it's not bad, but nobody
What
touched
is it?
The guy, the Pakistani boy was telling me in Urdu that he's come to the land of non-veg food. And this is what he got.
But you can
Yeah.
make eggs. Eggs is a pretty basic.
I can't.
You
I
can
can eat
make
them.
eggs.
Can't make eggs.
But you're a Parsi who can't make eggs.
Okay, I'll go.
Dude,
back
how
and
can you
try.
not make eggs?
Oh,
dude?
Jesus,
I mean,
podcast over.
no, seriously, man. Like
This is-
scrambled eggs, omelets, these things are like
Amit,
like a child can make
You
them. dude.
hairy bastard. Let's get one thing. You lived in America, which is a different world. Okay, there everybody learns to do everything. I'm a South Bombay. I've never left my mom.
I spent
49,
four
I've
and a
lived in the
half
same
years in
house.
America. I spent 5 years in America. Okay,
but
that's it.
I spent 4 months and I learned a few things. Like I didn't know that you have to put, there's a washing machine and you put things in it and to wait for it to clean. And,
Ah,
So where did
yeah,
your clothes, like how did that,
I've never been
how
to
do you-
America.
how did you live?
no, that's because of actually sorry, because Silvery learned how to cook because of the lockdown. He would never. You're as spoiled as I am.
No, I
Okay,
know.
you'd have been sitting there.
eggs.
Huh?
Eggs, I know. Eggs, I've known for years,
Why?
man. What are you
How?
talking about?
When? Why did you
What do you
learn eggs?
mean? It's eggs. It's
Dude,
there's
you
nothing
make
to learn. You just
you
open
come
them
home
up
drunk.
on a
How
pan.
can you not want to make yourself an omelette at night, yaar?
Nuranis. हाँ बोलो
Okay,
हाँ
that's
बोलो
also
इविंग
a good
बिविंग
point.
हाँ बोलो
That's true.
हाँ कहाँ से हाँ कौन हाँ नहीं 40 मिनट कम से कम हाँ
That's such a good impression. I am
these are my
floored.
friends
Okay, fair.
Yep.
Okay, what a
Okay.
wonderful cock and bull. Now again, this rubbish from a silly menu thing in Pankaj's restaurant,
about
sorry,
chai?
Sumit's restaurant, huh?
What about
Yeah,
chai?
I
Can
can
you
I
make
don't
make
like
chai?
chai.
chai.
I don't like coffee and tea. I'm not a
What?
big
So
tang.
you were never into hot beverages, like never into coffee or chai.
No, sorry, Ayushi.
So what?
Yeah.
No,
I don't.
that,
Uh,
But one
that,
second, the
yeah.
tea and coffee thing. So, what do you like generally? What do you
I got a kid's
drink?
palate. Okay.
Ah,
And now that I
got
stopped drinking alcohol, I'm literally like, I like jujubes. They're in the fridge, which of course I try not to eat them, or jujubes, whatever they're called.
yeah.
I love all
Jujubes.
colored drinks, like red, green, blue, yellow, everything. Even Gatorade I like. But
Gatorade's amazing. I love Gatorade.
amazing, yeah. But also, I take a 300 mg caffeine shot in the morning before working out. So after that, I don't like to drink too much caffeine unless
Ah,
there's
so
an event.
you are having.
I don't like the
caffeine.
taste of caffeine that's inside the NO2 that I drink. And that's right now, it's a tropical fruit flavor. Quite nice.
Are
Okay.
you getting
So
paid
that's like
by
a
them?
kid's drink, except it's got your beta alanine and all the different amino acids. And so other than that, it actually tastes nice, like a kid's drink, sweet, sweetish.
So you like Tang, basically.
I've made my own drink called Lang. I'm just trying to get it copyrighted.
Is it lime Tang?
Damn you, woman! You're quick. You're so quick.
I
It's
will
something
beat
like
you to
that.
this patent.
Yes,
Oh,
you've
so that's
already
the flavor, by the way.
you've
Yeah, you
copyrighted it.
get that flavor.
Yeah.
I love it. I just
I get it. Yeah, that's the one that comes from my house. We don't get the
But
orange.
one
We get the
second,
lime one.
I think Cyrus Lang is Nimbu Pani.
No, I mix the two. That's hence it's Lang. But let me just get to the point. So if a guest comes and I just with a straight face say, "You'll have Lang," and they all don't know to act like they don't know what you're saying. So, they'll be like, yeah, but you can see the fear in their eyes because Lang is not Tang, so they know something's wrong. Is it worth the risk?
But like if someone really offers you a drink like with a lot of excitement, I am interested to know what it is that is exciting you. So I will try it.
No, but this is a soft drink. Now I understand what you're saying. If you're at a cocktail party or something, that's a little different. The
So
whole
you
thing
bring
is,
the Lang, I'll bring my addition to it,
by the
and
way,
then I can have the
Lang goes
cocktail.
very well with vodka.
I can imagine it going
does.
well
It really
on
mixes
ice.
well.
It does.
But don't make it too sweet because it's got a very strong sweet component in the
Oh,
vodka.
so I don't like a sweet cocktail though. That's
Yeah,
the
so
thing.
that's why you have to put a little bit of it and mix it up with lots of ice if you like ice in your vodka.
And then like chili, maybe perhaps a little crushed ice,
Oh god.
tequila. That would be good.
Actually, of
All
late
of
I've
that
been
sounds
missing
good
drinking.
except for the chili. No, but Nimbu
Ooh,
Pani has
love a
has been my kind of discovery of the pandemic, right? That Nimbu Pani goes well with almost all alcohol.
Without anything added. Oh,
Yeah,
with
just Nimbu
alcohol.
Pani with vodka, with gin, with any white alcohol. It just goes
Limbu
well.
pani and gin, by the way, is like a Sikh. I think it's like a unrecognized Indian cocktail.
It is the best.
There must be something similar abroad, lemon crush or whatever. Lemon.
You get
Yeah,
a
but
gin
like with-
lemonade, but I
of
mean,
course,
it's not
but
the
with-
same.
With Limbu pani, if you're making it this way, it's like there's a little bit of salt, a little bit of like
Yeah.
jeera, some sort of Indian-y, that undertone that kind of.
You mean
cuts
no
that
sugar, you
sweetness.
guys?
No
Nimbu-
sugar.
Nimbu pani, no sugar?
Salty
come
Nimbu
on.
pani.
Is
It's
Is it a
just
Parsi thing?
it's just
always got sugar.
electrolytes for you.
Yeah, but you gotta add sugar. Silvery, sugar or no sugar?
Usually sugar. But what we use is we have this bottle that has like the extract of like 72 nimbus in one bottle. So you just
Okay.
put a little bit of that bottle in your drink and it just. you can
Ah,
So
take a
basically, you
drink.
just
much you have to put?
pre
Nimbu
squeeze the
pani.
Nimbu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. It's a squeeze.
One second, can I ask one thing? What is his nickname that you call Antriksh?
Silvery.
Silvery.
Episode
What
17,
is this?
36, 402, 307. Pick
Oh,
it.
man.
It's there.
Yeah. It's just
Oh.
there at every other episode.
His
No,
brother's
it's-
name is Goldie, and so his.
Now
name
we
is
can all
Silvery.
answer. My
Yeah,
kids can answer. I
that's
can call anybody. Answer the silvery question.
No, it's not that, because he used to be our producer and I've never heard anyone call him Silvery. We used to call him Spaceman because
Yeah.
Antariksh.
Correct. The silvery is only like it's only a Cyrus test thing, basically.
It's
Nice,
caught on,
nice.
bro. A lot of people are calling you.
I mean, now a lot of people guess. That's
Come
true.
on,
Now I'm going to
movement.
tell Tash. I'm
It's like
going to be like,
AIDS. we do?
Antariksh's name is Silvery.
Silvery.
I think it's quite nice. If you grow up with Punjabi friends, they all have nicknames. You can't not call them, And Goldie's done to death, man. It's like
For sure.
Goldie, Bunty.
But I
too much.
love Goldie as a nickname. Imagine if your name was just Goldie.
My
So
actual
sweet.
nickname is Richie. Actual pet name is Richie. It's
Okay,
Goldie Richie.
Antariksh. You can actually see that little.
No,
Oh,
the
no,
option-
it's a
hello, this is a
completely
toss-up.
unrelated again.
It was
Oh.
toss up between Silvery and Richie, and they voted. The family voted 17 in favor of Richie, 16 in favor of.
Your
Silvery.
family really likes money, I think. Like Richie,
I guess so, yeah.
Silvery, Goldie.
Yeah, makes sense.
You are very rich. You should have
All
told
right.
us this before when you were our producer.
Are you very rich, Silvery?
My family is okay, like well-to-do, I would say.
Fucking Panjus. Gujaratis never talk like this.
Never.
मेरे पास बहुत पैसा है Banjot. It's like my cousins in Delhi. You go to Delhi, the whole thing changes. Na? Everybody
for
is-
sure.
Nobody is ever humble. Humanity is, maybe it's overrated anyway.
Why? Why do I need to be humble? मेरे पास है.
Muhammad Ali said, no, I'm so good, it's hard to be humble.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Oof.
Yeah. But he really was. It works when you're
Yeah.
a legend.
When
When
you're
you're not a
legend
legend, you become a
status-
jerk. Like when I say this is an
Yeah.
obnoxious man. Yeah, I'm the greatest. Yeah. Fuck off.
But like when you see the greatest and they say it, I'm like, yeah, you're allowed. Yeah, it's okay.
Bro, he was special. Muhammad Ali. Special.
Yes. Have you seen that new movie, One Night in Miami or something like that? It's a
No, but it's
fictional
Well,
supposed to
in
be
fiction,
good.
putting them all
Yeah.
together. No?
Yeah, yeah, it's supposed
yeah,
to be really
Muhammad
good.
Ali,
Sammy Davis Jr. and
Malcolm Davis, Sammy Davis
Oh,
Jr.,
yeah,
Malcolm X.
Malcolm
X, yeah.
Malcolm X. Sammy
Cliff
Davis.
Davis. His whole idea was I have no surname. I'm no man's
Yeah.
man.
No, you said Sammy Davis, so I kind of
yeah, yeah.
conflated.
Fair
Yeah.
enough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
All
What
right.
do you do on the
stories.
show?
As you can
Should we
see,
get to the
22 minutes of
topics?
crap.
Well,
And
yeah,
now-
basically we talk
Yeah.
shit.
Yeah.
I
But
like
I want to
this.
know, Ayushi, we invited you on the show because apparently you're an expert on the topic we were going to discuss.
Shut up. Like,
and you have a
respectfully shut
connection.
up.
No, you have a connection with chips. What's the
I have a
connection?
Yeah.
You're losing money, so that makes you very deeply interested, right, in this particular
I am,
subject.
oh my God. First of all, thank God I'm not personally losing any money. However, I have a connection to it because I work in commodities and trade. So in terms of like shipping and actual movement of physical cargo across the world is in my wheelhouse of work. Yes.
Mhm.
I just posted this story when I heard it and I was like, oh, these are the ramifications that I'm able to recognize because of work. So it would be cool if other people knew about it because I don't think a lot of people got that initially. So I started sharing it, but specifically told Silvery, I am not a shipping expert.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
just really like this
Correct.
story and I'm aware of the domino effect. That's
So,
it.
On this show, interest equals expertise. So since you're interested, you're an
Oh my
expert.
God, then PhD laga do, like straight away.
Also,
Dr.
not
Aishi.
to be rude, but there are always low expectations. So those who actually listen to us for knowledge, they don't really think they're going to gain much.
Then
They
I'm
just-
gonna fly because I love low expectations.
That's my thing. Welcome. But I think we should set it up a little bit
Yeah,
for anyone
let's
who's
set up.
listening.
Yeah.
Correct. So on the previous episode, we had gotten a comment which made us talk about the story on that episode as well. So I'll
Which
just set
is
this up
actually a
properly this time.
story in and of itself. I would like to understand how all three of us, who are relatively news
Clued
friendly
in.
people,
But I'm saying
did
there's not
not
enough
know
news
this
about
at
it.
all.
Amit, there's not enough news about it until that guy sent us the picture and stuff.
Yeah.
Every Monday I go through everything.
No,
once a
that's what
week
I'm
at
saying.
least.
You read the papers. I'm like fairly
in the
plugged
papers,
into
I'm
what's
checking
going on.
everything
But
on
how
the
did I not hear about this till Thursday?
Oh, so first of all, it was in the news. It was on the news from Tuesday night, Wednesday morning.
Mhm.
But specifically, I will say it started out more on the trade chats and the trade news, kind of that link. And I got it through a WhatsApp group. Like literally, I'm part of a group of like women in sugar or
Ship
whatever. and-
owners.
I wish.
Not to be confused with cheap
Very cool.
owners. Ship
Listen,
owner, ship owner.
If
Oh.
I was in a group of ship owners, I would not be on your show. I'd be on the ship.
How mean.
No, I'm
now
just
you
kidding, I'm just
classified
kidding.
us.
Yeah,
You
but you'd be stuck.
declassified us.
You'd be
I
stuck.
would no, I would tune in from my yacht, like my 70-foot
You'd
liner.
be in the Suez Canal doing
Exactly.
your show.
Yeah, in the traffic jam.
Ram,
caused by the
Ram,
Suez.
how I no, that's not a good situation to be in at all. But it did start out early in the week, but it picked up traction a lot later. You're right. Like I think around Wednesday, Thursday is when it started coming up in like mainstream news. But from Tuesday, it was there.
Also, remember in India, elections, 5 elections happening as we speak, etc.,
Yeah.
have wiped everything out of the news. Plus, we got cricket
True.
here and there, scandal there, and abroad COVID. So all the
of
normal.
course.
We're living in a world where news does take a tumble because of these damn things.
Yeah.
And
not-
the unfortunate thing is if something has been relegated to page 3, it's doubtful that it's going to crawl its way to page 1 unless it's massive. But this story actually has now crawled its way to page 1, which is what makes it so special, I think, because it was
Yeah.
an underestimation that's now oh my God, wow, how to estimate this?
This is one of those once in a lifetime stories, because I don't think this will happen again. That we would never have found out about this if it happened at any other time in
It'll
news,
happen.
yeah.
Look, the chances of these things happening is low, but it's still there. It's not like it's not an
For
impossibility.
me, it's just a figure, 200 million a day. You know, when you start looking at that, I'm like, and no
Yeah.
end in sight. I mean, like, no one's panicking. Shouldn't it be the first story you see after that? When you're thinking
But is it
countries,
200 million a day or 200
GDPs
million an hour?
across the world won't cope with that figure. 200 million a day. Just
No,
think
No,
about
I
it. It's
think it was
mind-boggling.
more than that. I think it was significantly higher
No,
than
no,
200
no.
million a
It's
day.
more. The trade that kind of flows through the canal on a daily basis is close to like $10 billion a day,
Yeah.
up and down, because it's westbound, eastbound as well, right? So there's a lot of trade that's flowing through there. It's massive. And you add now that they've realized that they're not going to be able to move it for a couple of days, and also what people don't understand is even once they get her to move, it's not like you can immediately start like the flow of
Why not?
operations, because once she moves, it'll take time to take her out, because she might not be able to move at the same speed as she was before. And right now they haven't figured out how to move her. So if the solution in terms of moving her is to actually open out the canal a bit more, do a lot more dredging, there'd be so much construction in that area that again you'd have to remodify how you'd start flow.
No, they'll have to become like Mumbai. We just have to start construction and we have to suffer. You know, you find your way through
We
somehow
are
or
in
the
that.
other.
We
You know,
are
the
in that
motorbike
right
will go
now.
on top of your head on the pavement while you're with your little 2-year-old child in a pram. They'll just kill the child and carry on.
Like literally, this is, you can't just hoist up your skirt a little bit and jump onto the footpath or the center thing and
Wow.
walk off.
Don't make these kind of statements. My heart can't take it. Okay, I'm very sexually frustrated and unhappy and sad. So don't mention skirts and hiking up and all that, unless it's a Scots man, in which case it suits me.
Okay, then all these vessels are Scottish men. Please think of them as Scottish men.
What's it called? The O'Leary. What's the name of it anyway? What's the name of the ship?
The Ever
It's
Given.
Evergreen.
Evergiven.
Ever
Owned
Given.
by the Evergreen,
Evergiven.
right?
What?
So the
is a company.
Evergreen, they are a shipping company and they have a lot of vessels and they're based out of China and Taiwanese group actually.
Yeah.
Sorry, I should make that clear. And
Evergiven.
all of their vessels are ever something. That's kind of the thing. Oh fuck, my phone is ringing, and then I cursed.
You
I'm
cursed.
so
And
sorry.
That's all right.
and it's a live stream.
It's all right. Yeah.
What?
Take it back.
No, this is
Yeah.
not. No.
No,
Mr.
Right
Amin
now.
Ayushi
Give me
abuses.
Give me 1 second.
The
Give
F
me 1
word.
second.
The F word, I tell you. The F word. Mari degree. Amin bhai. Su challenge.
So turns out
What?
it's a crew of 25 people on board the Evergiven, and all 25 of them are Indian.
Oh,
Where
really?
did you go?
Well,
You
Yeah.
need her
in-
back. Ayushi, come back.
Lots of Indians in the merchant navy just generally. No? I
Lots,
mean, like it's
That's true. But-
Listen,
Oh my God, I'm
It's
so
a
sorry.
No,
Ayushi,
that's
you
all
didn't
right.
hear what Silvery said. 25-man
Yeah.
crew and all are Indian.
Yeah.
All
Desis.
25 men are Indian.
The entire crew is
Yeah.
Indian. People
So
don't even
whose
know
fault
that.
is it?
It's an Indian sport. Yeah, it's an Indian
Listen,
sport.
listen, this is not information that we want out right now. So I don't know why you're telling people.
I mean, prime ministers in Bangladesh erecting statues and guaranteeing things and all, and we are killing the world's economy quietly in the Suez Canal.
Who
10
said we
billion to
weren't
send.
powerful? Who said we weren't powerful?
Wow, and they're worried about COVID.
Yeah,
You won't have food in the morning. Mexico, you'll
This
be
is- yeah,
starving.
Exactly.
But
This
we're
is
not
like a
directly
hostage
Mexico, but
situation.
yeah.
This is like
Oh.
a hostage situation. We've taken the world trade hostage in a
Uh,
way.
this is for the layman. Let's clarify. So, whose fault is this when this sort of juggernaut or whatever you call it gets stuck? Whose fault is it? The
So-
engineer.
To be
So
honest, it's kind of more, this was a weather thing, that there was kind of like there was a bit of a sandstorm and she was thrown off course because her hull took the brunt of the wind. So she kind of veered off course, and she's the biggest liner to go through the canal ever. She's a ULCC, which is an ultra large container carrier. So they can take more than like 20,000 20-feet containers. That's a lot of trade.
That's a lot, yeah.
That's a lot. That's on one.
Ayushi really knows her stuff, huh? And then she begins with the whole thing about like, I don't know, man. I'm just
No,
afraid."
this stuff is now my job. So this I know.
You sound like Harsha Bogle giving me facts and figures on the game, man. Boom,
You
boom,
know-
boom, boom.
Harsha, like in terms of the sports angle of this, the context that I gave my friend that day, I was like, she's 400 meters long. That is a race. That is a sports
Yeah.
day race. That is one round of PDP spread out. That's 400. She's that long. So you can't get her. You can't just like turn her back like this. Be like, okay, off you go.
Or you can put her back in PDP and stop those joggers who drive their cars to jog.
She
To
would
get
not be able
the
to come
paradox.
into Bombay.
Yeah. But
So,
how big is it?
so Bombay Harbor can take a ship this size?
Not this.
Really?
Oh,
We
okay.
have only a few deep water ports, and most of them are built by Adani.
Yeah.
Okay.
But and they're on the there's two on the west coast. We have one on the east, and they're basically developing more. But she's not capable of coming into a normal shallow
So
port.
this is why Taiwan has not invaded India yet. All right. They've been threatening, but
We
they've
have
never
no
done
use. They don't have use for us.
it. Yeah.
So how wide is the Suez Canal?
This is a
Ja-
single lane. This is a single lane
Oh.
lane in the Suez Canal where the
So
ship
there
is gone stuck.
are there multiple
Oh.
lanes, or is it blocked every?
No, so
when you-
there's a main canal, and then there's the old canal, which is what they've opened up now to divert some of the traffic that can't
Okay.
be that can't really go around Africa. So, but again, the old canal has its own challenges. There's a reason they don't use it anymore. Like
No, but
this
which
is
canal is the blocked one?
the main canal, the main. It's
So the
like
main
Pedder Road.
Suez-
Pedder Road is blocked.
Pedder Road is
and
blocked.
so you have to
and
go
they're
via
using beach
Altamont
candy.
Road instead.
Actually,
Okay.
yeah. So I mean, this is so lost
How
on people who
elitist
don't
are
live
we?
in
Three
South
of us
Bombay.
talking
Yeah.
about the South Bombay
This is-
metaphors
this
from
is-
PDP to Altamont Road. And
This is
Silver's
so
trying to
out
remember
of-
his beach candy days, and the 20 people listening are like, "Are you nuts?"
I literally was thinking, I was like, this is so alienating for people who don't understand South
And
Bombay.
this is when elitism is at its best because you're so arrogant, you don't realize how arrogant you are.
That is
Yeah.
true.
Oh, that's
Um,
good.
But yeah, it's crazy. And the other issue about her is vessels this size have what they call, now Cyrus, don't make the joke. I'm giving you fair warning.
The empty vessels one, I thought about it and let it go.
No, this vessel has what you call a bulbous bow.
Oh, okay. That I'll let Silvery go for that. He's the horn dog here. He's the virgin.
That's fine.
Get out of your system.
And so that bulbous bow is basically at the front of the ship. The hull at the bottom has a huge, like literally a bulb kind of a thing coming out, and it's used to stabilize and keep the vessel level and to keep her on course. And that is what they are kind of realizing now, that is stuck underneath one of the banks. So it's not just like they can't put her in reverse and get her out. Like she's jammed into the side.
So how do they unjam it?
There's been some wild suggestions being
Yeah.
you know,
RDX,
floated.
RDX, dynamite.
Can I show this? Okay, I'll
Good
show
one,
some of the-
Ayushi.
Thanks.
Yeah.
But they haven't figured it out yet. There's no one right answer to this.
What are you showing us, Silvery?
This is the suggestion which has been
That
suggested.
phallic thing.
This is a SpaceX rocket lifting the Evergreen up into space and then
Yeah,
transferring it.
that's-
I don't think Garrett Miller is a guy who solves the world's problems, though.
Hey, it's Garrett. This is not for you.
So, and
But
how
yeah,
long do
some,
you reckon?
some
it'll-
hilarious memes coming out.
You got some more?
They've estimated now. First, they kept saying it might take 2-3 days, but now they've realized that they might be stuck for
Yeah,
the foreseeable week.
Okay.
Ooh.
And they are working on it. Like they've employed a variety of different ways, but it's still, I think, from what you're reading, is they themselves aren't 100% sure what the right answer is. It's a lot of trial and error right now that they need to work on. But worst case scenario, they want to offload her, but she's not low enough for you to offload. You can't have like the cranes that you would need to reach the container deck to take containers off is also like, you'd have to roll them there. How would you?
And how would you get the cranes there exactly?
Why does
Exactly.
it-
It's
Why can't they blow
short
the
of
whole ship up?
because
Then
she's
you'll-
carrying 20,000 containers.
I don't care.
But then you'll have 20,000 containers
Oh,
floating in the
do you
Suez
guys
Canal.
But what happens with 26 Indians on board?
They're fine. They're not injured. You know. They're
Are they
okay.
veg or
Have you-
non-veg?
have you guys heard of a
Sorry, go on.
Have you guys
Oh,
heard of a
you know
TV
me.
show called Container Wars? Sorry, have you heard of
No.
a show called Container
Is
Wars?
that the one where you open up these containers which have been abandoned?
Yeah, exactly.
you
So
see
it's like
what's
storage
inside
wars
them.
where exactly, and then you have to bid. You can like see it only from the
How
outside,
do you
and then you
claim
bid.
it in the first place? Because they're nobody's
So-
property.
Yeah, exactly. So,
So-
either some of them get held at customs. People don't pay their like whatever
Duty.
transport costs or what the duty
Can you
involved.
do that with relatives?
For very simple
No.
people, sometimes just
Have
abandoned.
tried.
Hey, listen, guys, you've been Ayushi is talking non-stop, 35 minutes. Should we take a break?
I don't think we started
let's-
exactly
yeah, let's
35
take a
minutes ago, but we can take a break.
Okay, 33 minutes then, Mr.
Oh.
Perfect.
You,
Take a break,
you're,
we're-
you're used to our 10 o'clock
Yeah,
start
that's
now.
true. It was 4
So,
something.
yeah.
I remember.
Yeah,
All
yeah.
right. I don't know why I'm discussing that because when you listen to this podcast or watch it, it's got
This
nothing
is
to
so
do
will
much
be.
time. But what is this?
This is what we really do. We have inane, stupid, and then I realize that we can't help ourselves, so I just give in to it.
I like that. I like that vibe.
Yeah, it's like molestation for me. All these
So I'll-
ladies used to attack me when I was young, and I just
Oh,
took it
this is
quietly.
reverse. I thought
But it
this was
happens
going
the
a
other way too.
dangerous
It-
direction.
Ayushi, it does happen the other way. People think
I'm
we're
not
being
denying that. I'm not
facetious
denying
and
that.
funny and all that, but
No,
it does
no, no.
happen. I used to have my cheeks pulled because I have fat cheeks. Hasina Jetmalani now, very famous socialite.
She's
Uh,
my. Oh, I know her very.
She used to pull my cheeks. I was like, don't pull my cheeks. But, oh, yeah, yes. And then 3-4 girls would join and they pull my cheeks like the container wars with the cheek wars.
I'm
They
going to
kept pulling
tell
my
her this
cheeks.
tomorrow. I'm going to tell
Thank
her
God they
that
didn't meet
on
you.
the
Your cheeks are
show-
pretty awesome. Yeah. So now they won't touch me with a barge pole. I look like one of those guys with all the STDs and gonorrheas and all put together in one package. So I'm fine. I'm good.
Yeah,
That charming
fine.
moment. Have we taken the break or we've come back? I
Are we
can't
on the
remember.
break?
I think
We
I
came
think I was
back.
back.
We came back. We lost interest in the break.
Oh, you guys don't actually take a break.
No,
You just
we
like
don't-
you just
we-
keep talking.
It's
We
not
just say
really
we're
a
going
show.
to take a break,
Ayushi,
then we
it's
stop,
not really a show.
and then we start the break.
I know you just call me to hang out. It's sick.
Yeah.
I
We just
enjoy
like the
this.
plates.
So
Mm.
there are some hilarious memes that are out there again. So I'll share some more if that's fine. So this one, if you think you're having a bad day, spare a
Yeah.
thought for the helmsman who somehow managed to stick his giant ass ship sideways into the goddamn Suez Canal and blocked it into little gridlock. And
Yeah,
is
but
currently
Ayushi
costing
says it's
every
not their
seafaring-
fault. It's not really human error in the sense that the
No, look,
waves,
there
the
is
winds were too
possibly-
strong.
Yeah, no, don't want to be held responsible for that statement. However, I'm sure there was like obviously a margin of human error, dude. It's like possible.
What the hell? I don't understand. Is it the fault of the guy steering the ship or whatever mechanism software does it, or is it the fault of geography, or are you saying everything together? So this is
I think it's a combination. I think it's just a combination of multiple things.
This
That this was just super unfortunate result of it.
Yeah, it wasn't like, again, I don't know that much about this, but it wasn't like we've had like some
Hey,
unforeseen weather
guys,
event.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys, look at the picture we just put up.
Yeah,
Silvery's put up a lovely
exactly.
one. Two guys, and you can see
Look at the side.
two guys in a bulldozer on site. This is like what is Miguel Cervantes? What's his name? Don Quixote. So they've come with the bulldozer. I check out this picture. Fast. Look at
They're
this one.
seeing-
They've come with the bulldozer. Look at the ship.
For those listening to us only on audio, it's a picture which shows the massive I don't know the one end
How
of
do we show
the
this?
Ever Given, and there's a tiny little bulldozer on the side of it, which is trying to
can you
help
see-
in the excavation efforts.
This other picture, I don't know if you can see it, but this one
Yeah.
guy is waving to them, like oh, they put him on top. Damn you, not on my show. I don't want to do another show. Go away, woman. Go away. No more.
This
no
is my
more.
favorite one.
Yeah.
I'm in the middle of the show. I apologize. This is
See?
yours.
Managed to
Joint
dig
family.
out a good part of the bulbous thingy.
It's still stuck. This is huge part. Made no difference.
Is this photoshopped or something, or is it
No,
for real?
this is
Yeah.
this is the magical reality of this story.
Are you
It's
kidding
so
me?
real.
No,
It's
What
so
kind of
real.
Joker actually thinks he's going to make up? I mean, talk about
Hey, listen, you don't hate on him. He's so sweetly doing his job. Dig.
what is the height of positivity? All those silly jokes we used to do. I mean, really, you bring. What is that line in Untouchables? You bring a knife to a gunfight.
Yeah, they've brought a fork.
They brought a fork to an intercontinental ballistic missile war. Yeah.
Literally.
So then after this, there are all these suggestions that people have been coming up with about what can be done. How do we get the ship like unlocked there? So this is the first one that we saw. This is the SpaceX
With the
Elon Musk
SpaceX
that happened.
rockets, yeah.
This is has anybody tried this? Was yeah, you see so this is like these air pressure cans, right? Where if you're cleaning like your laptop or
The
something.
WD-40 is like its lubricant,
Yeah.
industrial
Oh,
lubricant.
it's lubricant.
Mr. Doshi,
Okay,
tell
that's
us
what I
more. Huh?
No,
Say
it's
it.
industrial
Or
lubricant.
about So he likes the machines, lady. Come on.
Right, sorry, I don't judge.
Single man lives with his mother. Who the hell knows what goes on?
The free
Then
country.
there's a Bernie. There's a Bernie meme at the next to the.
Yeah, I love it.
Just look what the internet has done. It's basically a tragedy when you
Yeah,
look at it,
basically,
and
yeah.
everybody's being so flippant
trolling it.
about it. Wow.
It's crazy.
Yeah, no,
the
that's
earbud. Again, some really funny ones. So I'll post the link to this article.
yeah.
For sure.
So please go, guys, check it out.
I think they're
No,
gonna have
this
to
is-
land. The
this is-
pivot
this is
one
one of my
too
favorites.
good.
Pivot.
The
Favorite
pivot.
one. This is from friends.
Pivot.
Ross going
Who's
pivot.
Shamak?
No, that's
Who's that?
Ross. That's Ross from.
Did you
Oh,
say
that's Ross.
Shamak? As
I
in
can't-
Dabur?
Sour-
Am I wrong?
Pivot. So dark.
Yeah, this is from
It
the
sounds
that
like a
famous
dance
Friends
rehearsal.
episode, Cyrus.
Pivot. But look, it's all cultural references. I stopped at Seinfeld, so just give me a break here. I
Okay.
had to watch Friends with my daughter, of course, so I do have.
So then you must have seen the Pivot shows.
It's true. You forced me to watch so many episodes. Yes, you did. Ah, damn Jennifer Aniston. Oh, sorry, guys. I'm having two podcasts.
All right.
Families
All right.
all here.
Let's
Okay.
go to the next topic.
I think
Let's
so. I
go
think we've
to
overdone
the
this
next
topic.
one. Yeah. Okay. Let's
Okay, I
go to
just
the next
want to
one.
ask.
Are
I
you
just want
still
last
going to
question.
have me on the show for the rest of the topics?
Yes, of course.
Oh,
Yes,
sick.
of course. Yeah.
I thought this
Why-
was like a guest.
Why would you even ask that
guest spot.
question? That's so rude. Because now we can't even ask you to go. Because that will look bad.
You saw how I did that? You saw how I ensured that I was on it for the rest of the show?
Superb, superb.
I'm very
And you make us look
smart.
like evil men now. Yeah.
Very, very smart.
Damn it.
Yeah. Cyrus, you're saying something.
No, I wanted to ask you one final. I usually one question about. How many days? Because you said 2 or 3 days next week. What did you say? When do you expect it to be sort of resolved?
My God, how I wish I knew that people would come to ask me this question. I
But the
think
26
that
Indians,
I'm distancing myself from them.
26 Indians stuck on a boat.
This is like that on the first day of Christmas.
Yeah,
My show,
something
this
like
is
that,
like
yeah.
that. We can think, there's a joke there to be
And we're
made.
knocking them off, Ayushi. We're knocking them off. It's black
One by
comedy.
one.
By one now. 25 Indians stuck on a boat.
They might be stuck there for a while. I think it's going to take them a couple more days. They first estimated 2-3
But
days.
what's the
They-
rest of the world doing? Since it's a global issue and millions of
so
dollars in trade.
they've
and-
started diverting vessels now. Either
Dude.
if you could make it up this the old canal, they would. But again, that's a far smaller canal, so that's one issue. The other thing is a lot of them have been turning around and then going around Africa, but that adds anywhere between 2 to 3 weeks to your journey, depending on how you take it. Then you have to see whether your vessel is voyage ready for that kind of journey as well. There's so many.
And it's damaged,
Um,
obviously. So it may not be physically
Not
damaged.
this particular
No,
one,
not
but
just
the
this,
new
not
ones.
the Ever Given. I'm saying everyone that's
Oh,
waiting
okay.
in line.
Okay.
And then also you have to see that you came with a certain fuel capacity, right? Like going up the canal was obviously not budget. This is not budgeted for this part
Oh,
of the.
This is a horror story. So what you're saying is there's no hope?
It's not there was no hope. It'll just take longer. And the F up is that there was already a lot of delay at a lot of ports. This is, if you care to know my 2 bits on this, is the actual ramification of this is more the container trade. So obviously, I don't know whether you guys are aware, but there is a container shortage worldwide right now.
Yeah.
Because there was a lot of backlog from COVID, and that hasn't all the containers haven't come back into circulation. And the way containers stay
I
in
thought I
circulation,
heard that China was hoarding containers for
they
some reason.
were because they had closed a lot of ports during COVID, and they were hoarding them because they
Oh.
own a lot of them. But the way that they return to circulation is basically once a vessel gets to another port, then those are emptied, reused, and then sent back into the the circle.
Right.
So when you have such a backlog, think of it like 10 of them suppose haven't reached yet. So that's 500 containers suppose that haven't reached where they should be. So that's kind of the issue that you're going to see. Also, there were I think 13 vessels that were going up the Suez that had petroleum and oil on them. So that's a lot of tons of oil, petroleum products that are currently in limbo. So that's why crude took a rally, and crude had fallen on Tuesday, and then suddenly because of this it skyrocketed.
I filled fuel on Monday and I got 10-20 paisa off.
Cyrus, I think you need to go solve this global oil crisis.
Just to put a positive spin on everything for a
So
second.
who pays for this? So let's say, for example, you're somebody who is exporting some goods from
Right,
China
right,
to
right.
the US. Suez Canal is short. You have to go around Africa. That means it's obviously more expensive to ship it. Who
Right.
pays for that difference?
So usually
Because
you
all
take an
these things are done like 6
there-
months, 8
there
months.
must be
Like deals are
insurance.
struck well in advance,
But the
right?
insurance for sure,
So
for
you-
God's sake.
you obviously take insurance. So you have a P&I club that you'd have underwriters who take this kind of risk on, obviously. But because of all of this demurrage in the last couple of months has again gotten so much more expensive. So people who were paying, say, $8,000 a day to have your vessel wait outside a port are now paying $30,000 a day, which is, as you can imagine, going to eat into your trade. And insurers will only cover certain things. So
Would they
it's
cover
going to be
this? Yeah.
Or they
because
would
this would
cover
come under
percentage.
yeah, so this is not in the control of the vessel who was in lineup, right?
Yeah.
This Ever Given's insurance underwriters, I don't know what the fuck is going to happen over there, I'll be honest.
Right.
But in terms of everyone else, I don't see this being something that they would be very liable for. But again, it depends on what they're carrying, where they're carrying, who their underwriters are. It's a whole thing.
Ayushi, you said F up twice, and now you use the fuck word liberally. What's the story here? Are we going
I-
with the F word? Are we
I
doing the
forgot.
disguise thing?
I forgot to censor myself in this last one.
Oops. So we apologize then. Because ours is
Do you
not
want?
that
Can you
I'm
take that again?
sorry.
Can you take that again, Ayushi? No,
No.
it's fine. No, it's fine.
I can't do it again. I can't do it again. But yeah, that's just I think it's really interesting. It's definitely something to keep looking at. The story.
Anyway, if you want a container, come to my house because we in South Mumbai, many of us live in containers.
Oh, I thought you were saying that in my house there's so many dabbas because I have that container also.
That too, but I can't say it loudly. That too. Okay, so that's it. We've exhausted the Suez Canal and we couldn't solve the
Yes.
problem and people suck and the
Yes.
insurance may or may not
Yeah.
cover. What's next?
Next
What's
is
next?
tomorrow onwards. So we're recording this on a Saturday. Tomorrow onwards, there is again a night curfew.
Yeah,
announced in
8 to
Bombay,
7.
Which
yeah.
is, I know, Cyrus, this is your favorite thing in the world.
I'm so angry because of the 7.
More COVID restrictions.
No, if the 7 a.m. is to be believed, then because I go to the gym at 6. So I hope they
Yeah.
don't bother me at 6:20 and do they shut the club and the gym and everything and all that? Because 7 is
No.
too late if you're an early morning person.
No,
I
no,
think
but
its movement is
yeah.
not restricted. It's just
Move-
public
yeah, yeah.
gathering.
public
but will they-
gatherings and
but
malls
what
and all
about
will
the
be
what about
shut
the gyms
after
and the clubs? Will they open at 6 or will they open at 7? Because then that screws us up also.
I think
I
right now only
see.
malls are closed. Right now,
The
at that
malls you shouldn't be
time.
going at
But
6.
gyms-
I just that's a little tough.
I'm just telling you what was in the news.
Okay. So can I now vent a little bit more, Sylvia, if you don't
Yes.
mind? I'll tell you my problem.
Yes.
This is all not just Maharashtra politics, it's all over the world. The politician doesn't know what to do. He's just coming up with small things that act like he's doing something. So he'll be like, I'll shut this for 4 hours, we'll do that, and it's all your fault. Throw the responsibility back on the citizens. The mask hasn't worked. I'm telling you it's ineffective. And they all want to tell you just wear the mask, wear the mask. Too many people have got it with the mask on. So just accept the fact that we have to save the economy and fight on. And just keep on working and try and keep social distancing and hope that you don't get it. If you do, just soldier on as much as you can. I don't think there's any other way because they don't have any solutions. They want to tell you that they don't have any solutions. They blame you. You guys are gathering. You guys are doing this. You guys are having parties or whatever. And boom. I
But
think it's a waste
Cyrus,
of
you
time.
can't say that there isn't a difference in how people are acting now. I'm seeing people without masks all over the
No,
place
so
right now.
so they become more complacent. But I just think that this it has to come from within. This playing the teacher with the stick thing is just irritates the hell out of me, and I know where it's going to go. So 8 p.m. to 7 a.m. and now you
So
can
I
leave the restaurant.
agree.
I
I
don't
think
you're
our
wrong, though.
restrictions are dumb, right? Our restrictions never make sense
Because
because
they're
you're compressing
arbitrary.
people. No, and you're compressing people into activity in certain amounts of time
Money
rather than
first.
let that
Amit, money
spread. So just
first. All right.
logically is wrong.
Money first. 8 p.m. You're killing commerce from 8 to 11 or whatever. I mean, we use your head, yeah.
Huh.
Put things in place. 50% restaurants, they're dealing with that. Let them deal with that. Do what you can.
But restaurants
make it
aren't at
fair.
50%, by the way. That's
Yeah,
I'll
No, they
be
brought it
honest
back. They
with
brought
you.
50% back last week or 10 days ago. And now they've killed them at 8 o'clock. So there's no dinner. So you've lost. Listen, they're dying hand to foot. If
Yeah.
the home minister story is to be believed and they're
Yeah,
paying 2 to 3
correct.
lakhs hafta
How
and they
is that
make no money. I
possible?
mean, that's like rape, economic rape. What's the point of that? Keep the restaurant open for what? To give handouts.
Yeah.
It is it is ridiculous, right?
Look,
Yeah,
there are
no, I
many
mean,
nocturnal industries and commerce that we're not talking about. People who work
Yeah.
with the global side of things, and you are using your office, not everybody's online. So you have to think about everything and just work out a way where everybody can work. And let's hope that people don't get it and try and do the best you can under the circumstances. I don't know what 8 to 7 is.
I
gonna
mean,
achieve.
I think the solution is just accelerate vaccination, right? I mean, like really accelerate it more than they have, and be smart about it. Why do you have to have all India vaccinated at the same rate? Start making it more available in places where there's a bigger problem. I mean, like the fact that they're not doing any kind of targeting is foolish in my
Amit,
mind, right?
I've been in the airport. I've done 6 or 7 flights in the last 3 weeks, and let me tell you, everywhere I go, the lines, nobody's keeping any social distance.
At
When
all.
you in the line to enter, okay, where we all become a common person, whatever bloody way of flying, everybody's just 6 inches behind. Occasionally
Yeah.
they touch you, their bag hits you. So and those are 15-20 minute queues. That's where you should. So use your logic. Where are the problem areas? Let's look at that. And there are many small problem areas like that, and let's try to address that.
But they've
rather than
done
just
blanket. They've just done a
blanket, yeah.
blanket solution. They're just like, oh, this is something that you're
Yeah.
supposed to do. So let's just copy paste across all
Correct.
So,
different industries.
it's it's an interesting problem in the sense that if you think about it, it is a problem that we talk about quite a bit, Cyrus, right? I mean, like the idea that we're trying to promote equality of outcomes in some cases. And over here, this is what we're doing, right? When it comes to the vaccinations, when it comes to the infections, we believe that everybody should have the equal kind of this, right? And in this case, it doesn't make sense for it to be equal. There needs to be some targeting. You need to make vaccines,
yeah.
you need to make vaccines available more easily in Bangalore, in Bombay, in Delhi, in places which are hotspots.
You can't play the center versus state game. I agree with you. It's rubbish.
Yeah.
And not now. Like at this
now,
point, you're going to
exactly.
do this. Like, come on, man. Like people, and
Why
and
are you
you're
holding on
getting
to the
pissed.
vaccines? Why hold on to the vaccines? You know Maharashtra is 60% of your problem. Send everything here. Makes no sense.
No, they get it seriously. Bombay, Delhi, Bangalore. These are the three, or not even Bombay, Delhi, Bangalore, and the rest of Maharashtra, right?
Pune to some
Nasik,
extent.
Pune, Nagpur. These are the areas which have real issues, right? Other than that, most of the rest of the country it's not suffering, but it's not to the
They're
same
progressing decently well. But did you see what was in the news? They were like, oh, the deputy CM is like, oh, if things don't get better, we're going to have to really reevaluate a lockdown again. So everyone better be careful. And it's like, are you threatening us into this? I'm confused.
much.
Like, shouldn't you actually open more vaccination centers? Shouldn't you allow more of the population? Because another thing that I heard was people aren't going to the hospitals as much as they would like. So you are just sitting with vaccines that you could be giving to even people outside this 45 age range.
So then address that problem, which is why aren't we enticing people to come? What's
exactly.
the issue there? Because
you should have a vaccine drive.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Like in Dubai, we got the thing done, the test done last minute. We went to a mobile clinic. It went really quickly. There are many different ways which we can, get more people involved who don't want to step out or don't want to go into crowded places, etc., etc.
But by the way, the vaccine, it's a seamless process. I took my grandparents to do it. And I have to say, there was not one thing that was inconvenient or like illogical or unorganized about the whole process. I don't know why people aren't going. Like, I want to say that there was no line. Why was there no line? There should have been a long line.
Yeah, my mom also came back in 3 minutes. I sent her by bus. Toughen her up. I almost did. Yeah. So I just think that, again, politicians of the world under fear, lockdown, partial lockdown, night curfew, this curfew, 6 hours, 4 hours. I've done my bit. Now it's your fault. Just think of the psychology of all that. Just bounce it back to you. Because this is something they're all unprepared for. They've never dealt with it, never thought about this.
That's fair.
Suddenly it's just beyond their scope. That's a fact.
Really interesting. I was watching the John Oliver show last weekend. The one he did one about plastics, right? And just basically the whole plastic industry and stuff like that. And he made a really interesting point, which is kind of very parallel to what you're talking about here. A lot of the environmental movement that exists is created by the plastic industry to make you think that you're at fault for environmental issues, right? So that you take responsibility for it. The fact is that 95% of plastic is not recyclable. Right, but that's not what they do. They talk to you about the 5% that's recyclable and how you must recycle it. Yeah, it doesn't recycle. Right, like a bunch of plastic does not recycle. Right, there's the amount of things that recycle is minimal. It's not minimal, but you have to make it in a certain way for it to be recyclable. You mix up two different kinds of plastics, and then all of that becomes unrecyclable. Right. So, but basically, what the plastic industry has done is they've kind of created the situation where people think that it is our responsibility to kind of keep the world clean.
Yeah,
but the fact is that there is nothing that you can do about most of the plastic that you're consuming. It is the fault of the plastic industry and the packaging industry for making plastics in these ways.
Yeah.
And it's the same kind of thing over here where they're just basically offsetting blame.
Only on our podcast, we expose the underbelly of the beast every time. We catch you. Nobody else can catch you. We're Arnab with a conscience.
This is an expose show. I did not know I was in it. I feel part of
a lot of
respect.
We brought you in because shipping is not our thing. And you very humbly said you had no idea. And then you sprouted like, I don't know, it was like, Hamlet, the whole monologue without stopping. And I was like, what's she talking about? And you gave us like figures.
But you have to shut me up. That's the problem. So it's like
it's sounding vulgar. I'll not do all this. I will steer my ship.
Brain thinks.
I will steer. I'm sorry. I'm going through a midlife, that male menopause thing.
Mid?
Maybe post mid. Is there one? Let's Google. What comes after mid? Yeah. But my wife still loves me. Okay, so she does.
I love that. I really hope that makes it onto the show.
Ayushi, I asked Amrita, a friend of mine, on Friday, the show we did last, to mark 5 guys in the gym that she knows in terms of looks, and she put me 5th. So I got to tell you, I always get the worst reaction.
But 1 second, what gym are you going to where there are good-looking people. I want to circle back to
It's all
that.
relative. It's all relative, Ayushi. I mean, you're young. Your life will change.
Exactly why I'm asking, where can
Yeah.
I go to find these good-looking people at the gym?
I spoke too much. There is no oasis in the desert. It continues. This is
I
it.
know.
We represent Indian males, three of us. This is what you got. The Father,
is-
Son, and the Holy Ghost. That's
This is
it.
why I'm single. This
Sorry?
is-
Yeah,
this is
that's
why
why
I'm
you're
single.
single. Now my male Saluki is going berserk. Shall we get on with the AMAs, bro?
Let's
Yes,
do that.
let's go. Yeah.
Stop screaming, my friend.
All right, AMAs. First AMA comes from Sahil H. Kashyap. He says, "Hey guys." It's fine.
So carry on,
Hey
carry on.
guys. Yeah. Hey guys. Big fan of the podcast from Ghatkopar. My question is, why are people who drive in India so comfortable about overtaking from the left?
Yeah.
As any good driver will tell you, you have to always overtake from the right or just stay behind
What
the
is
other
he?
car.
What is he? Living in some other world? Have you seen how people behave? Buses are on the right of the road. They're not supposed to be on the right of the road. Cyclists in the morning when I drive at
Yes.
6:30, there are 5 of them spread across. So where do we go? From over the head? There's a turn to go to Princess Street towards the Bombay Gym. I think
Yes.
that turn, I nearly kill one every day because they're just one after another doing a little bicycle race, and I'm like, what do we do? And you pause there, but you have the temptation to hit the accelerator and just, one less cyclist in the world, one more container on that ship, I don't know. So, I mean, nobody
am
follows
in
rules.
agreement of this rant. Please continue.
No, I'm like, I've given up. Nobody follows anything. So what are we talking about? Left and right? That's the least of the problems. Nobody follows the lane. People stop on the pavement on the crossing. You're not supposed to stop on the crossing. And
Yeah.
they're supposed to cross on the crossing. Those idiots who don't have enough money to buy cars in the first place and misbehave in public because of that, they just walk wherever they want to. They walk in between, they're on the phone, they walk zigzag like that. And it's all about, the class thing. It's not the class thing. You're just an idiot. You just don't care. It's like, oh, I don't have enough money, so you better treat me with respect. You suck. Yeah, I don't want to play class games. Just don't. We've given you those lines are there. It's there for you to cross. Look at the line and cross, and we have to wait peacefully to let you cross. That's the rule. No point. Rules are wasted on us. British left in 47 because they couldn't even stop us spitting. Finally, Montgomery looked to the boys and said, I can't do this anymore, lads. And boom, off they went. Yeah. And even the Gateway of India, the few Parsis sing by somebody spat. How's it? Nahi? Something like that. Amit, I'm sorry, please add.
So no, Cyrus, that
I
rant
have
is
nothing
perfect.
to add.
Yeah.
That rant is perfect for the second part of his
question?
question because he goes,
Here's the second part.
Cyrus, he goes, Cyrus, how strict are you about following road safety rules? In my head, you're always angry behind the wheel while cursing at anyone who dares cross the path of his brochness. Love the part. Keep it up. I think that applied. I think what he said just
His
applied.
brochness.
I've got a few pet peeves and red flags. One is bikes. Okay, it's like racism for me. I just don't like that race now. It's like the bikes. So I'm really looking to kill them. I just hate them. Because what I hate is not the fact that they break the rules, but because they don't seem to understand they do. So if you ever have an argument with them, like I've told you 250 times, the guy comes through the one way, you stop, he stops, the standoff happens, and they don't even talk to you. They just do the neck thing. Like you go from that side. I'm like, what are you, nuts? You've broken all the rules in the world, and now all you do is twitch your neck, and I'm supposed to find my way through, and you're supposed to find it, and it's all peaceful, all good. Oh,
Cyrus,
God,
like,
please.
I
Ask
really want to
my
be your
wife
friend.
nearly punched a guy 2 days back. Then finally we had to stop and let him go. It was like, they just break. It was a car coming up the one way. Now what the hell's going on? It's just, it's a free for all. It's a jungle out there now. I don't know what to do.
100% agree with you.
I think we should
And-
all carry baseball bats.
And the F up is, Ritash and I were discussing
Now
this
it's
on
F
our
up.
show. Hey, see, I remembered to censor myself this time.
But now you can rant properly.
Okay,
Nobody
fine. Do you know what the fuck up is? Is that everybody who drives badly, it's not just like the cyclist or the motorist, it's everyone who has no ability to think like beyond their own vehicle.
Yeah.
And then the added thing is sometimes you see people like, oh, I'm mad about this. I'm so upset about this social situation in the country. And I can't believe that people behave like this. And how can you be so racist and bigoted? I'm like, dude, you can't even follow basic
These are the ones who let
traffic
us
rules.
down.
And
These
you are giving me
pseudo-socialists are the ones who cause all the trouble.
exactly, you're giving a lecture about what's happening in another city, another state. Like, okay, I get it. Like, that's
Can I-
outrageous as well. But
to-
how can you not
No, no.
be like? How can you not follow a red light? You're
Your
telling
point
me
is
that
well made, Ayushi. It's very simple because you're talking about an egalitarian society in some way or form, right?
yes,
And why are you talking about class and money? We're all following rules. It doesn't matter if you're rich or poor or whether your father served in the
but
army
you
or
can't
not.
follow
Who
these
cares?
rules, and you want everyone else to be like, oh no, everything should be completely pure and everything is right and you are wrong. I'm like,
Yeah,
dude,
because what they're doing, this good-natured humanitarian friend of yours who's never fed a pigeon in their life, what they are doing is juxtaposing the whole point of, I'm rich and they're poor, so let it be. We should allow this. That's not the thinking. The
I
thinking is
wasn't
about
even
rules. It's a
thinking like
clinical
this.
thought.
I was thinking more like people think that they're above rules. Like
Oh,
that's
oh,
what
that
pisses
too.
me off. Like you think that you're like some rules don't apply to you, but all the other rules have to apply to everyone else. But if you make a minor traffic, it's like, dude, like everyone does that. No, you have to be better. You're educated. You are the hope.
Oh God, don't start me off. I have so much hatred for all these people that you mentioned. What? You hate them too? His wife is not one hypocrite. I can't be married to a woman who goes through one ways. No, we don't go through. The thing is, honestly, really, the problem is that when you have a confrontation with them, they're never ever actually apologetic or know what's going on. It's like they're so fucking ignorant.
But when you are in the car, it's always your fault.
It's always, I'm saying it's a class thing again. It's all
That's
all over
India.
the place.
That's
The thinking.
class. No, there is a class. There is a class issue there, right?
And how can
The
you
person
take the
in the
bike on a
richer
pavement?
vehicle is always
how
at
can you take
fault.
the bike on a pavement with all the digging going up? I'm telling that guy the other day, I mean, look at, there's no space for anyone, and now there's little space for people to walk on the pavement. And they just think, okay, where there's a space, I'll go. It's just like a cockroach.
It is. No, but it is annoying. It's one of the most annoying things that is out
Hence,
there.
I have begged the
That's why I don't
government, we
drive.
have to have biker day where we can all kill bikers and there's no penalty.
Oh,
You
I
just
thought
get out,
So
you go like,
basically
hey,
a
you, bang.
purge for
And
bikers.
don't get me started on Zomato.
half the
Okay.
time you feel like such a hypocrite because you're like mad at delivery people, and then you're like, it's probably my package.
I know,
Anyway.
but Ayushi, you tell me, you're a South Bombay girl, so aren't they just the worst? Those food delivery guys?
Because there's no they've come and they need to make their time target, so you almost feel bad, but then you're like, but why must you do this to the rest
No,
of us?
but they are unbelievably that's
Yeah.
full pace. I just and a few
They
of
have
them
a
have
death
already.
wish. My
Yeah.
friend has this logic. It's like, you have a death wish, I'm happy to help you fulfill it.
It's easy said and done, but there'll be repercussions and you'll be given a jail sentence,
Exactly.
and
No,
that guy's
no,
caused all the trouble.
I am not this friend.
Yeah. What's the name of the friend and address, and we'll have people visit. Yeah. Probably a biker himself. Chalo, what's next? My
Let's
egg
do
time
one
has come.
more.
Oh.
Yeah, let's do one more.
Yep. Next one. Yep. Next one comes from Aanchal Meenawala. She says, "Hey Cyrus, Amit, Silvery, and guest. How are we still in this? How are we still going through this COVID BS? Now Mumbai is going back into another phase of curfews and restrictions. I work in the event industry, and it's been terrible. Anyway, now that that's done, my question is totally unrelated. I want to ask, what
He
are your
deserves to be on the
favorite fast
podcast.
food chains and joints? Yeah, Aanchal, it could be a girl, I think. Aanchal Meenawala. That's her name.
Wow,
So anyway,
Silvery.
he says,
One day you'll lead India. Go on.
Anyway, now that that's done, my question is totally unrelated. I want to ask, what are your favorite fast food joints and chains from outside India that you would like to see come to India?
Oh, Amit's
I'd
the
like to
outside
see
India.
Taco Bell come for real and not this like bastardized version they have.
Yes.
Like a real Taco Bell. I would love to see that.
I
Like,
like
why?
Mexican.
What's the difference? I don't.
Oh
know
God, the
enough.
version we have over here is horrendous.
It's
I've
not the
never
real
tried it.
franchise.
No,
I've
well, it's
tried
the
it.
real franchise, but the menu is just all over the place. It's terrible.
Oh.
Oh, so you want to replicate? You don't want the localized.
Well, I want the. So you know what? Actually, I was talking to somebody about this recently, right? The localized versions of burgers at McDonald's and Burger King are terrible. Who eats those?
Yeah.
Well,
Why do
actually,
But
in
those
India,
who are
you're saying.
exposed,
Yeah,
but those who are exposed to other stuff abroad is different from those who are not. You know,
I don't know.
like my theory is Badi Mia. We loved the Badi Mia in the 90s because it was the only place open in our area after
Yeah.
drinking.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So we didn't really
100%.
think it through. Now you got 32 other options, and suddenly
It's
you're not
not
going
very
there.
good.
Yeah,
It's
but
not
by
very
pure
good.
taste, something pure taste
Yeah.
option.
No, but so I ordered Burger King at home like a couple of weeks ago, and it was awful. It was like just like awful.
There's one
Okay.
meat ingredient which has changed, no?
Yeah.
Well,
So
so that
I'll
is
tell
one
you-
part of the problem, but that's not the only part. So one thing I think that these fast food guys, when they come to India, they feel the need to make food spicy,
what
and
could
they
be
don't
different?
understand
They follow
spicy means more
okay.
than chili.
One sec. So if you're getting the McDonald quarter pounder, or whatever our version
Huh.
of that, then don't they have to follow the formula exact? In
No,
terms
but
of
they
the
replace the patty. No, it's
the
chicken
patty-
now.
the
The
patty
whole
they've replaced.
situation has
I agree.
changed.
Yeah.
I agree.
Also,
It's like
they've
having an ugly
Indianized everything.
spouse. Yeah, you
But-
can't do anything about it.
You know, to be honest with the Indian McDonald's, I've read this somewhere before. It's one of the most successful, innovative menus. Like in terms of the way that they've personalized it for the country has been very, very successful.
I guess, but I mean, like, I just find it.
But
I
he's
don't
right.
like
It doesn't taste
all.
at all. Well, I was in Dubai. It just there's no correlation in the
Yeah.
taste. Actually, the whole
Yeah.
chickeny for the non-veg, the chickeny stuff
Hmm.
that's available and all. It's nothing like you're really going to eat in Dubai or America or West. Or,
Yeah.
I want In-N-Out to come to Bombay, like
I
a
would love for
proper
In-N-Out to come
In-N-Out
here.
that's
burger.
disgusting.
In-N-Out or White Castle would be great to have
White
here as
Castle.
well.
Is it okay if I say I want Nerulas to come from Delhi to Bombay?
Yeah.
Nerula's was here for a while. Now nobody
Thank you.
nobody went there.
Ouch. Okay, go back to Delhi. Got it.
Uh,
What about Chippendales? It's not
Yeah.
exactly food, but yeah.
yeah. No, but what was the other one? There used to be here. It's not here anymore. The chicken place at Tardeo. The British place.
Nando's.
Nando's. That's it.
But I don't.
Nando's is
I don't
there.
like
Is-
Nando's.
Nando's
Where?
is
It's
there.
gone.
You like Nando's abroad?
I just think like, how can you have a whole place dedicated to chicken? It's like the lamest meat.
Good thinking.
But
Good
well,
thinking. Honestly,
okay.
it's really like the meat
Like-
which needs help.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And then you're
you've
gonna
gotta
so you
put-
have a whole menu dedicated to breast meat, like ugh.
Hang on. Let's talk about this. Let's not be in a hurry, guys. Let's all have a view.
Nothing against breasts. It's a
Yeah.
chicken breast meat. That's my
No, but
problem.
you're right because you need the fry to prop it up. You need the spice to prop it up. You need the
You need
sauce.
so much else to make the
Yeah,
chicken
yeah.
workable.
Yeah.
Now,
But
other meats, I won't say them.
yeah,
have-
yeah.
They carry
they have
their own
taste.
they
That's
have
the key.
integrity.
Especially Burger King, where the meat is not, it's made, it's grilled
Yeah.
actually. So
Yeah,
the
Grilled,
taste is
not
there.
raw. Yeah.
Exactly.
In that forbidden flesh.
That's my
Yes.
like so my first thing when I go to the US is Taco Bell. My first thing when I go so I've been to Malaysia a couple of times recently. First thing, like at the airport they have a Burger King. I've
Yeah.
been to that Burger King at like literally 7:30.
They recognize you. He's come back.
Wow.
It's like,
Yeah, no, but because I mean like these things taste incredible, but we don't get them over here at
But
all.
I know we don't have time, but a lot of things, like even Cadbury chocolate, it's the milk quality. Again, we've discussed this slightly, but it just doesn't taste the same. If you have it in, say, Europe, and then you have it here, there's a huge
But
And
I
then in
like
America,
Indian
it's
better,
different.
huh? I like Indian better. For when it comes to
No
Cadbury,
way.
Dairy
No,
Milk,
bro,
or
no,
milk chocolate.
not the
I like
chocolates.
the
There's
Indian
no
better.
chocolate that holds up. I'm sorry.
I don't
I'll
like
walk off
Indian
the
Kit
podcast.
Kat. I hate
I don't
Indian
like
Kit
Indian
Kat.
Kit Kat either. But I
It's
think
not
that
good
I love
enough.
Cadbury,
Kit Kat. I love
Okay.
Kit Kat.
Guys, this is
Cadbury
rubbish. You've got to
Dairy
you've got to
Milk.
eat them together. You've got to bring it back. Bring one Kit Kat back from, let's say you're in London, you bring it back. You take an Indian Kit Kat, you cut one finger each, and you eat them one after another, and you tell me.
Yeah,
No,
the
it's like,
Indian Kit Kat
yeah,
sucks.
yeah. Indian Kit Kat's terrible compared to the American Kit Kat. is.
Again, this is
and
like-
I've had it like that. I have done that. We've done exactly
Look at the
that.
amount of sponsors we've lost, though.
Listen,
maybe the
love
Suez Canal.
everything, love
Huh.
everything, love
Yeah.
everything, but we're just sometimes we don't. But yeah, no. But I really do like. But I like the Indian Dairy Milk much more than any American milk chocolate.
No.
Hershey's sucks, Cadbury
I-
sucks.
Oh.
I think we're like we've been socialized.
He's saying Dairy Milk in
into
India is
really
better
liking
than
Indian
our Dairy Milk abroad.
But I think Indian Dairy
Amit
Milk is
Doshi.
super comforting.
My wife's
Yeah.
throwing a fit.
Indian Dairy Milk is very comforting.
It
It's
is,
such a
what-
Are you,
known
you're just saying that because
taste.
you want your
Ah.
podcast to stay. All right, let me tell you the truth.
Okay.
But I like Hershey's. Hershey's is quite nice.
Oh, I don't
Hershey's
like
is quite great.
Hershey's.
No, Hershey's
Oh, I
is
don't like
awful,
Hershey's.
man. Compared to
So
Dairy Milk,
sweet.
it's terrible.
You provide
The
types.
Hershey's makes a
Hershey's
great.
is
So the Reese's peanut butter cup is also a Hershey's product. Those are
Reese's
amazing.
love. Reese's. Is
I
great.
Those are
want
the
a
best.
Reese's piece right now.
So that's
Yeah.
the best chocolate ever made, right? I mean, like mass produced, not like fancy chocolate.
I'll tell you
But
where we're
like-
number one, Frankie. Frankie should have gone all over the world.
Yeah.
Frankie was good enough.
Yes.
Frankie
The
is
rolls.
so tasty. Yeah,
The rolls are great.
I
Yes,
want
yes,
Tibbs
Frankie.
to go global. I want
Tibbs,
Tibbs
yeah.
to go global. That's
Yeah.
my wish.
I
for
would be
Tibbs.
proud. I'd be like, this is our thing, not our version of McDonald's, which is
No,
this
no, no.
chickeny
It's
thing
just
that you
our
mentioned.
thing.
Yeah.
Have you guys had the breadcraft Frankie? So they have an item called the butter chicken cheese paneer Frankie.
Can you send it?
Okay.
I'm ready.
Stop doing this.
Okay, dude, I'm gonna send this to you. Done.
There-
done.
there-
Cyrus,
no, but
this is- this is- I'm
listen,
gonna
there's
send
only
back
one
on the-
Frankie.
this is the
There's only
last
one
thing-
Frankie. Everything
Tibbs.
else is a roll.
The family
Yes,
came on, they brought
exactly.
us Frankies.
Yeah.
Come on, let's keep bringing them on and just to talk
Yeah.
about Suez Canal, whatever.
Yeah.
No, no,
but
no.
there's
Those
only
are
one
rolls.
Frankie.
Yeah,
that's a
is-
roll.
Tibbs
No, so
gotta go
they've
global.
got a few on the menu now. They've got a diet plan and all that. So fine, fair enough. I just
Yeah.
want the old-fashioned mutton Frankie. That's all I want.
Yeah.
Oh my
egg,
god, I think I
mutton,
might order
that-
that
yeah.
now.
Oh,
Egg
sorry.
veg.
Where do you
The
live?
Egg veg Frankie.
You have a Breach Candy one if you're.
That's where I'm gonna order it from.
And that's
Yeah.
the one to. That's the only one to order. That's the only real one. Everyone else
That
is.
OG one at
yeah.
Amar
Uh,
Syal.
Shivaji
Okay,
Park is
I'm
there.
writing this down.
Scandal point.
Scandal
No,
point
like,
was
and at
our-
Amarsons, you stand over the ledge like, इसमें भैया कड़क
Yeah.
करो, like नहीं ज़्यादा कड़क, जला दो, पापड़ बना
You
दो,
understand what that
कड़क.
means, right? Don't use that phrase. You sound like a Parsi ordering, and it sounds terrible.
What, kadak? Like, what am I saying wrong?
Yeah.
Kadak.
That's okay.
It's correct.
Kadak.
Crispy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's move on.
What?
I want to circle back to this later. Sorry, I'll end the show.
On this
We're done.
note, correct note,
When we're done, we're done.
Oh, we're done.
we're done.
Well, I guess we're done now, right? Are we done?
I gotta
Oh my
eat
God,
eggs.
can I come on your show more often? This is like
Yes,
so
you
much
can.
fun.
This was
Yeah,
fantastic.
our show. Anytime you want to, nobody else wants to come on. Please, we book you Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Then, all right.
Okay, fine. I'll link up with Silvery and figure out what I can.
But this
cock
cock and bull show,
Absolutely.
you can come anytime you want because we just want to
Yeah.
freewheel.
Yeah.
That's sick.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
whenever
we
you're
just
Inshallah.
talk about like 5 things. That's all we do.
what 5 things we managed 1.5
We did like
today.
3.
We did 2
3.
AMAs and we did 3 other things, huh? 5 things
But
happen.
every time you guys talk so much, you blame me. Everybody talks. A podcast should have only 1 or 2 talkers and 1 or 2 listeners.
I agree.
find this 4
We
talking
have,
thing.
Cyrus, we have thousands of listeners, not 1 or 2.
No, I don't mean those listeners. I mean in the panel, people should be more passive. But I find that Silvery is now growing in stature and slowly, and he's also arrogant about it. Like he just dismisses my
What?
point and goes on to the next one without a segue. That's how you deal with children. The kid comes, Daddy, you want to play? Yeah. So I was thinking, it just does that. I feel like a nobody.
In this situation, you are the child who's saying, Silvery,
Daddy,
Silvery, I want to
Daddy.
play.
That's my father. My father called Silvery. It begins there. The therapy that that you're going to go through for the rest of your life. Ouch.
I love it. I'm here
Yeah.
for this.
Yep.
Anyway, have a good Saturday night, all of you. I'll be sleeping at
Thank you.
9:30 as usual. And I'll go have a lang with eggs right now.
Nice.
Thanks for having me. This was fun.
Yes, the pleasure was all yours, ours. Just kidding.
It really was. I just got to chat for 1 hour.
Yes, I think that's what podcast
Alright.
should be. Not to blow our own trumpet. Sorry about the metaphor, or whatever it is. But I think just talking is the fun part, right? Amit
Yeah.
Doshi?
Yeah, I enjoy that. That's what I enjoy, right? I mean, like, that's why I like these.
Actually,
That's
this
why I
been one
like
of our
all the
better
stuff and
talks
stuff.
because it just flowed without anybody
Yeah.
thinking.
No, and also Aishi knew stuff about stuff, right? I mean, like
You don't have
that
to
helped.
praise her,
That's
she's
my
happy.
That's my tagline, by the way. No stuff about
No
stuff.
stuff about stuff, which also puts us in
Oh
perspective.
my God, that's gonna be
Look
my new Insta bio.
Yeah,
no stuff about stuff.
And then show the
Changing it
3
right
idiots next to you, because you know stuff about stuff. Who are they? Why are they there? Bodyguard,
You
accountant,
make me look
friend.
good. You're
Yeah.
making me look good. I like it.
We sure do. All right. Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Thank you.
This time forever.